Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese fish satay. So let's start. Here I have 300 grams of Mahi Mahi fish. You can also use snapper or mackerel. And for this recipe I'm going to use uncooked bumbu genep, palm sugar, coconut oil, and sambal mata for the condiment. The first thing I'm going to do, let's cut the fish. I'm cutting the fish into small pieces. It's up to you how big you want. And now I'm going to mix the fish with the bumbu genep, uncooked bumbu genep, and palm sugar. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of uncooked bumbu genep and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Mix together. And now I'm going to marinate this fish for 1 hour. See you in 1 hour. Bye bye. Hello, I'm back. It's been 1 hour and now I'm going to put the fish into the skewer. So for the one skewer, I'm going to put 4 pieces of fish or 5 pieces of fish. Now I'm finished and let's prepare the grill. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Once the pan is hot enough, we will add the fish skewer. The pan is ready and I'm going to add them. We'll turn them over when they are ready and you can see the different color later. Now let's check. You can see here the color is changed into the brown and it means it's cooked for half side. It takes about another 1 minute to cook them all. Smells so good. And now it's ready and let's plate it. So I'm going to put the sambal mata first. Here we are, Balinese fish satay. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.